We are joined by Shilpa from Chennai, and Apurva also joins us from Hyderabad. Shilpa, I'll come to you first. I know there was a sea of orange in Chennai. In fact, I see you also wear the orange of Sunrisers Hyderabad, but it wasn't to be today. It wasn't their day. I know plenty of fans that would have turned up at the stadium. It's not about winning or losing, but just in the manner in which their team lost. That wouldn't have gone down too well with the fans, I'm guessing.
Well, that's right, Nikhil. In fact, it's scorebo, lordbo, jeetbo. We'll do it, we'll fight, and we'll win. And that's exactly what Kolkata Knight Riders have done today. What a spectacular finals for the KKR. In fact, you know, we all came to Chepauk and we're all so eager for this finals, thinking that it's going to be a very nail-biting finish between SRH and KKR. But what transpired really was sheer one-sided dominance by KKR. I'm joined by some of the fans here. These are KKR fans and these are SRH fans. As expected, they are quite elated. What do you think of the finals? You know, it was one-sided, but a lot of reasons for KKR to be happy.
Very happy because after 10 years we lifted the cup, and you can say that Chennai is also lucky. Last time we lifted in 2012. In Chennai also, same 2024 also we lifted the cup.
Actually, 10 years long we are waiting. Last win was 2014. Now 2024, lucky for Chennai. KKR.
Whose performance did you like the most?
Everyone. I can't specific only one name. Everyone is doing the good job.
Okay. But quite disappointing for SRH. You know, the manner in which you guys have played throughout this season, and then coming to the finals and putting up that score, quite disappointing.
Yeah, our batting is a collapse. I'm literally sad.
Like
but
every match, openers are playing then in that form that the middle order and everyone is playing. But when the openers are getting out, the middle orders also it's get flop.
Because our main hope is Tarvis Ked and Abhishek Sharma. They are the only they put upright in power play. But today they both are failed. So we had some bad start, and after that Kendrick Carlson and Hayden Markham also failed.
So the wait gets a little more longer for SRH fans to get that.
Yes, I got surprised by the decision of the Pat Cummins to bat first. I really expected him to ball first, especially after the eliminator, which is the same thing happened here also. So no, better luck next time, maybe for SRH. Really expected Cummins as a World Cup winning captain. He might come good, but not for him today. But KKR congrats to him.
Okay, so clearly a lot of, fans have already started dissecting what led to the crumbling of the SRH batting order. Many say they were surprised by the fact that Pat Cummins even chose to bat first and in this pitch in Chennai. So clearly for SRH fans, it's a quite disappointing end to this spectacular season of cricket. But for KKR, so many reasons for them to cheer this IPL season.
Okay, we've got Shilpa from Chennai with that report with the Sunrisers fans and Kolkata fans. We've also got Apurva joining us from Hyderabad. We have Anirban joining us from Kolkata. Anirban, let me come to you. I see a lot of Kolkata fans around you. I know that, Cyclone's going to be hitting the shores of Kolkata a little later. But I heard from them before the start of the game. They were quietly confident. But now I'm guessing the celebrations have started.
Well, Nikhil, you know that I have said already that we are in Park Street in the heart of the city, and day after tomorrow there will be the huge rally from KKR in the heart of the city as well. These fans, those who are present just behind us, and they are very confident of the win of the KKR. And right now they have proven that the Hyderabadi biryani is better than Kolkata's biryani, because in Kolkata's biryani there is aloo, which is called potato, and the biryani is not good without potato. It has been cleared by KKR team. By ye jo match hai, this is the very huge win. This is a third star going to be.
Yes,
we have two
we
stars.
are going to have 5 stars. It's like Brazil. It's just one more star, 3 and 2, and we're going to have more lot of stars. Come on, KKR!
Whom do you want to give credit for this win?
I will give it to Gautam Gambhir. Gautam Gambhir and whole team. Captain Shreyas Iyer, Sunil Narayan, and Harshit Rana.
Mission Star!
the credits needs to first go to Shah Rukh Khan to bring in the whole team, bring in Gautam Gambhir after 10 years. After 2014, we are clinching the title back again. Third star, third trophy. Most importantly, how Shreyas Iyer has captained the whole team, the batsmen, managed the whole team, managed the bowlers and the wicketkeeper, done it by himself also when he's playing.
Well, Gautam Gambhir is back in the squad, and we know that Gautam Gambhir was captain in 2012 and 2014 as well. And right now, Gautam Gambhir is the mentor of the team, and he has done the wonderful job. And as well, the team and the Shreyas Iyer. And you all know that the people are all partying right now, and the party will go on whole night right now. And after 2-3 days, and we all know that the team is going to come in Kolkata, and after that, the grand party will be celebrated. The grand felicitation will be celebrated in Kolkata as well. So the people of Kolkata are so excited that after 10 years, the trophy has come in Kolkata.